Manage multiple air-to-water heat pumps efficiently with the Intesis Cascade Controller. With continuous monitoring of available tanks and outdoor temperature, you gain precise control and efficient load balancing across all units. The new plug-and-play gateway for Mitsubishi Ecodan systems delivers integration into Modbus RTU or BACnet MSTP protocols to facilitate air-to-water heat pump control. The new Intesis 700 series metering enable fast and cost-effective integration of Modbus devices and meters, M-bus meters, and pulse meters into BACnet, KNX, or Modbus systems. Enable quick and efficient integration of M-bus meters into BACnet IP or Modbus TCP networks. A built-in M-bus converter and auto-discovery features reduce setup time and simplify commissioning. Introducing the first KNX Data Secure IR gateway for air conditioning integration. This gateway ensures the encryption of all transferred data to meet the latest security requirements for residential, commercial, and hospitality projects.